everyone, I'm so excited for today's video in preparation for the holiday. I thought to share a clean and decorate with me for Thanksgiving, and this is one video I love watching a lot here on YouTube, and I'm sure each and every one of you clean your home, but if you don't, here is some cleaning motivation to get you in the mood.
Don't wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again.
So we're gonna try and clean up this whole mess, and Saturdays are usually my major cleaning day. I grew up knowing that you do a thorough cleaning on Saturdays, and then you can always clean here and there during weekdays. And as a mom of 3, I try to maintain a clean home as much as I can, even though at times it's almost impossible. So this is going to be our bedroom and kitchen edition, and I'm going to go ahead and try to declutter and move everything out, because as you guys saw, we had clothes and things all over the bedroom, and now with the help of one of the twins, I'm going to go ahead and put on a mattress cover. Like this right here is very, 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 very important, especially if you have kids, in order to prevent kind of juice spilling, water spilling. You guys, like, waterproof mattress cover is a lifesaver. And also on Saturdays I like to go ahead and do laundry, so I'm going to pack up all the laundry and then just go put them in the washer. And like, Saturdays are always very, very busy for me, you guys. I actually love it because it gives me kind of a day in a week to just concentrate and clean my home. And then I also like to take out Saturdays to clean hubby's closet, because as a man, you guys, like, you end up arranging, and then by the time he uses his clothes within the week, everywhere just gets messy. So I always like to take out Saturdays to properly arrange and clean up his closet.
Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone.
So I'm going to go ahead and tackle our headboard, because I often notice a lot of kind of stains on our headboard, and this, I believe, comes from my hair. You guys, you know how sometimes when you're sitting up on your bed and you just relax and lay your hair on your headboard, and sometimes it might be hair, it might be oil from my hair, or even makeup. So I try as much as possible to use an upholstery cleaning detergent mixed with a washing detergent and a very nice stiff brush, and then a spray bottle. This really helps a lot because it kind of helps to get rid of all the oil and all the stains from the headboard. And once I'm done doing it, I like to kind of use a towel to clean it out, even though I didn't show that here, but it's gonna dry, and once it dries off, you guys, it looks brand new. And I like to also go in with my vacuum cleaner. This one is more like the long head. This helps to kind of get in those areas where your normal vacuum can't get into, because it's incredible how much dust can accumulate within a week. Like, I do this almost every single week, you guys, and by the time you do it the upper week, you notice a lot of dust and a lot of dirt, and you like using a vacuum is very, 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 very necessary for me. And this one right here makes it so much easier because it's cordless, so there is no cord to it. It just makes it so much easier. And now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off our side, what is this called again, our lamp, our nightstand. And also I like to use LS Totally Awesome spray to go ahead and kind of clean and dust off our nightstand, our lights, just to make sure everywhere is clean. And then also I like to go ahead and use, I think this is the spray way glass mirror. A lot of you always ask me on Instagram, like, what do I use to clean my refrigerator, and this is exactly what I use, you guys. This can be used on anything with kind of chrome or mirror, so I always like to use this spray to kind of clean the mirror. And also I'm gonna go ahead and just use my brush to kind of dust up all the dust, and also still go in with my awesome spray and just make sure everywhere is nice and clean. To be honest, guys, cleaning can really be therapeutic for me. Like, I hate scattered, unorganized home, but sometimes I can't just help it, you guys, and sometimes I might just end up being so tired that I can't even take it. Like, I can't do nothing. So normally, and this always, like, it happens mostly on Fridays, you guys, because it's like, okay, everybody is ready to unwind. So I sometimes I'll be like, okay, I can't do this today. I'm just gonna leave it for two, since tomorrow is my cleanup day. So on Saturdays, once I'm able to do this thorough cleanup, it leaves me feeling so good. It makes me so happy, you guys. You don't even understand. I feel so like, I don't know how to explain it, but clean home just makes you feel really, really, really kind of happy inside. That's normally how I feel, once I'm done cleaning my home. And over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and make up our bed, and then we move on to the kitchen.
Lock the door for three, two, one, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it.
And I've just recently been so obsessed with home decor, you guys. There's just something about kind of decorating your home, always switching things up, adding things that it just gets me so happy.
Delusional, delusional, you say, and then I
Okay, so we're out here in the kitchen, and of course Alexa is giving me some really, really good Nigerian music, and I can't help it but to dance. First thing first is to go ahead and open up these packages. I actually went to the post office today. I went to the post office to pick up my packages. So I just like to get them and then kind of check them out in the kitchen, and then whatever, like the package and things that I don't need to keep, I just go ahead and remove everything and just discard the carton or the package.
right. Maybe I got problems.
I actually went to the post office, and then from the post office I did food shopping. So of course, one of the twins, actually not even one of the twins, both of them are helping me move some of the things I bought from the supermarket to the kitchen downstairs, because I actually have two kitchens, and I like to use the downstairs kitchen to store the food, and also the downstairs refrigerator. So they always help me move those things downstairs. And over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the dishes. I did baked chicken on Friday night, and I couldn't just clean. I was so tired. So I said I was gonna, do everything today since it's Saturday. And of course, I also like to take out Saturdays to kind of sterilize the baby's utensils, like his feeding bottle, his water bottle, everything. And once I clean it, I like to kind of wash it and then use sterilizing unit to sterilize it, even though I didn't show that here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my sink. My sink is always filled with plates, you guys. So once I'm done cleaning the plates, I like to go ahead and clean up the sink, and then also I'm going to clean up my countertop, like everything that requires cleaning, you guys. And also I'm using this awesome spray. So it's actually a degreaser, so it's perfect for degreasing kind of your stove, your gas cooker. It's just amazing.
So messed up, hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that
And like I said, since this week is Thanksgiving, you guys, this is going to be a Thanksgiving edition. So all the decoration I have in my kitchen, I'm just going to go ahead and move them out, and then we're going to go on and bring in new decorations, you guys. I love switching things up. And also for Thanksgiving, I'm not sure how Thanksgiving this year is going to be though, because of this corona thing. But if you have guests coming over, I'm going to give you some kind of non-traditional inspirations to get your Thanksgiving table going, you guys. I like to kind of do a little bit of decoration, but not over the top, guys. Something really nice and presentable. And I'm still gonna go ahead and just finish up with cleaning, vacuuming, and all those good stuff.
and then I
And of course, if you're interested in any of the things I used in today's video, I'm gonna link every single thing in my description box. Not every single thing, but anything I can get my hands on when it comes to links, I'm gonna link everything in my description box. But for my kitchen aisle, I'm just gonna do a little bit of decoration. I'm gonna use my ginger jar and some flowers, and also on the dining table I feel like I want to do something non-traditional, even though I still love that orange color when it comes to fall and also when it comes to Thanksgiving. And I also love some pumpkin decorations, so I just added few pumpkins and also a very nice flower vase and some candles on the table. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put some plate chargers, and also I'm gonna put some plates. And this is just kind of a very I would say simple table decoration, not over the top, not too much, something really nice and cute, and something really presentable, especially if you're having guests or if you're having family members come over. This is just gonna be perfect, doing a little thing, you guys. It just makes it so much fun, it makes it so much memorable, and this is what I was able to come up with. And I believe this is all there is to this video of you guys. I'm so thankful for a lot of things this year, even though this year has come with its own ups and downs, but still we have to be grateful that we are alive and we are healthy and we are kicking. And yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.